Mr. Speaker, earlier this week I had gave an update on what our plans are with regard to dealing with flooding in Ba town in particular, and therefore Ba River. Often we talk about these bigger rivers, Ba, Nedi, Reki, Rewa, Lambasa, and Gawa, and Navua, Mr. Speaker but we also sometimes forget that there are other small waterways, creeks and rivers that is threatening, during heavy rain, threatening our infrastructure, crops, livestock, settlements, and therefore we also need to clear them. They are, over time, have been silted due to what's happening upstream in the catchment. Mr. Speaker, we have identified those rivers, about 150 of them, and divided them into 3 phases. The first phase is about to start on next week Friday, we will give it out to the Central Division. In the first phase, we are going to desilt 25 creeks. 25 creeks in Central, Northern and Western Division. In the Central Division, there are 3 creeks that we need to desilt, 9 in the Western Division and 13 in the Northern Division. The total area that we will be, total number of kilometers that we will be desilting is 56 kilometers. Mr. Speaker, desilting 56 kilometers is a lot of work. Mr. Speaker, what we have done, 56 kilometers would mean close to 120, 150 million dollars, Mr. Speaker. But what we have done is we have worked smartly. What we have done is we are working with the private sector, where we pick up the part of the cost of working with the Matangali, the landowners, and getting the fishing rights waiver in liaison with Ministry of Lands. We have picked up the cost of undertaking the environmental management plan, so Ministry is picking up. So each creek, each river, we do the environmental management plan so that the desilting work would go according to that plan. So there will be no destabilization of the river bank. The flora and fauna will be intact. How many meters from each of the bank they need to desilt, what volume they need to desilt, all this is defined in the environmental management plan. So, Mr. Speaker, the private sector pays the royalty to the Ministry of Lands and then picks up the material sales, and the private sector then gains from that. So, Mr. Speaker, out of the 25 creeks that we're doing in phase 1, that we've got the entire paperwork ready, and we're going to start from next week Friday, 9 in the Western Division: Solovi, Saru Creek, Navalau, Narewa, Nakorotumbu, Nandele, Brownivi, and Malakua. The 3 in, that's 16.9 kilometer, 3 in the Central Division, 1 in Buambua, 1 in Doi, in Nabukavesi. This is a total of 17 kilometer. 13 in the Northern Division, Tadlevu, Nambia, Navindambu, Watundova, Wabuabu, Wuniyala, Wunivutu, Naselevu, Nakirikoso, Korotari River, Donguru, Nakama, Numbu. So a total of 21.5 kilometers. So, Mr. Speaker, in this way we are able to save substantial amount of money that state otherwise could incur, and we are able to work in partnership with the private sector and assist these communities, protect the infrastructure, protect the crop and livestock, and we're able to ensure that the excess water is discharged very quickly. Thank you.